Welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Miriam. In today's video, we are going to be making over my playroom. I'm looking on Pinterest for some ideas. I normally get my inspiration from Pinterest. Pinterest is my best friend when it comes to designing any room. So this is what the playroom currently looks like. It's a hot mess. The things are all over the place. It's not organized at all and it's not functional. So I'm so glad that Domestic Diva decided to do this challenge where everyone gets to participate in, and we make over either a room or a section of your home, and you just share where you get your ideas from and how your room turns out. So thank you so much, Domestic Diva, for having this challenge. I will have a playlist in the description box below so you can check out everyone who participated in this challenge. I started off by organizing all of the toys. I got the kids involved as well. So we basically just put like items together just to organize it a little better and just to make the room more functional and easier for them to use. So everyone got involved and we just started organizing this entire room. I honestly never realized how many books these kids have. Like, it is ridiculous the amount of books that they have. I had to store the books like in different places in this room. It's like so ridiculous. But I eventually had to make a bookshelf. So if you are interested to see how I was able to make this bookshelf for the kids, I'll have that video in the description box below so you can check it out, and just in case you're interested in making one of your own. Next, I made sure that I swept the room very well because there was so much dirt and dust all over the place. I swept and I also mopped the entire room. I knew I wanted this room to pop, so I went ahead and made some wall decor for the room. And here are some of the things that I made. Everything that I made, I have on my channel. So if you're interested to learn or just to see how I was able to make these decor pieces for the room, you can check it out on my channel. I'll also have the links to these videos in my description box as well. Here, let's take a look at what the room looks like before the makeover. Just to recap, this is what it was looking like before. And now let's take a look at what the room looks like after the makeover.